The Remove Add to Cart WooCommerce is a great plugin that allows you to hide the prices of your products, but you have to edit them one by one, which will take you a lot of time and can be really tedious if you have to edit 50 products or more. To help you with this, in this video we'll show you to hide WooCommerce prices by category, tag, or attribute using the WP Sheet Editor plugin, which creates an intuitive spreadsheet inside WordPress to view, edit, search, import, and export hundreds of WooCommerce products at once. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. WP Sheet Editor allows you to search for all products containing a specific keyword in their titles, within a specific category, containing a specific tag, or attribute such as color, size, or any custom attribute using the search tool. For example, let's search for all the products that belong to the men category, that are black, and contain the tag fashion. Once you've selected the search parameters, run the search to filter all the products that meet the search criteria. If what you need is to enable the hide price option for all the selected products, you can easily do it with the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, select the rows you want to edit. In this case, we'll select to edit the rows from our current search. Now select the hide price field. Choose to set the value. And tick this checkbox to enable the hide price option for all the selected products. Then execute, and all the selected products will have the hide price option enabled. And that's how easy WP Sheet Editor allows you to hide the price of products by category, attribute, or tag. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, as well as the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.